Hello everyone and warm welcome to our channel. Today we are preparing fish Vindaloo Goan style. 99% of Goan people love fish. They just cannot live without fish. Whenever a Goan comes from abroad, the first thing they want to eat is any fish dish. Let's start. Take 1/4 kg of fish, add 1/4 teaspoon of salt and marinate for half an hour. Now for the masala, in a mixer grinder add 10 Kashmiri red chilies, 2 inch of ginger, 12 cloves of garlic, 2 tablespoons of vinegar, 1 roughly chopped onion, next add 1/4 cup of water and grind. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a vessel. Add the masala and let the masala leave its oil. Add water as per your consistency. After one boil, add the fish. Add salt as per taste. Cook for about 5 minutes on low flame. Consume the vindaloo the next day for better taste. And a tempting looking vindaloo is ready. Please subscribe, like and click on the links for more videos.